Nice hostel in a prime location. Super nice hostel with great facilities. Staff is very friendly and happy to give you recommendations. You can also rent a bike and travel around the city. Great place to stay. Huge lockers are provided to each guest in room, which is very nice. The top floor of the building is devoted to laundry. Washer and dryer are each 30 NTD per cycle. There are also hangers for those that want to air dry their clothes. The facility is very clean and nice. Would recommend it to anyone. Best place to unwind in Tainan. It is my usual practice to stay here as the transfer to other sightseeing spots. Nice hostel. We enjoyed our time in Tainan. The hostel provided us a very nice map with all the major places to visit and restaurants to check out marked. Very helpful staff, and the location is very easy to get around. Super friendly staff, Jenny. Thanks Jenny for waking up so early to open the door for us to get our bikes. Excellent, nice place. Could use a little bit more cleaning, but otherwise my stay was good. Beds are noisy though, be aware. Good location. And comes with yoga studio. Very nicely run place with very helpful staff. The location is pretty good and easily reachable even with Tainan's poor public transport. The attached yoga studio is a big bonus. You get discount for classes and are free to use the space for your own practice. The only discomfort came from the shower rooms, which were too hot and sweaty, and the swarms of nasty mosquitoes not giving you any break at the common spaces. Good choice: clean, comfort, convenience, nearby attractions. Quite nice and recommended for solo. Special place, good and interesting decoration, good atmosphere, toilet is clean, the common room is nice and it is self-servicing. The only negative thing to me is the location is just acceptable.